Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own personal voice on Apple devices, how does it work and how you can use it. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, which iPad, which iMac, which Mac, it is all going to work the same on every of Apple devices. So you can do it on iPad or on iPhone 15, 14, whatever you would like to, whatever you have and you would like to create it, you can use your own personal voice. So what is it, personal voice? iPhone has a feature that you can create your own personal voice for the live speech, and the iPhone is going to use your own voice for the live speech. But it takes some time and I will show you how you can do it. Maybe you just want to get your iPhone sound like you, or you have like some problems with speaking and you would like to save your voice to the iPhone to use live speech to have your own voice. So what you want to do right now is to go to the settings and then swipe down a little bit, tap on accessibility, again swipe down and go to the personal voice. And to create your own personal voice you need to have a passcode on your iPhone or the Face ID. So let me just do the passcode right now. I'm just going to quickly create it. So turn the passcode on, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. And again 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, so you need to do this because let me just put the Apple ID password also. Okay, now it is working. So you need to set a passcode because iPhone needs to verify that it is you creating your own personal voice. So now, after setting up the passcode, you want to swipe down, tap on accessibility, tap on the personal voice and click create a personal voice. So now you need to type passcode, and here you will need to read the 150 phrases aloud, which may take about 15 minutes. So you need to take some time. And iPhone will create and securely store your personal voice. So you are going to be able to use the personal voice through your device speaker or even in the FaceTime and phone and assistive communication apps with your personal voice. So what you want to do is to click continue, and you have some tips how to get your ready to record. So you need to find a quiet place, speak naturally and take your time. So just don't rush with those sentences while you're going to read them aloud. So let's click continue, and here you can just create your voice. I'm going to just name it Simon's voice. Okay, let's click continue, and once you're ready you can just type here and start reading those sentences. So let's go on. I'm creating a personal voice with my iPhone. As you can see, now you're ready to go because you have low background noise. In my case, maybe you just won't be able to do it on the street. You need to go to some quiet place without the echo and try to go with it. So after all, you're going to click continue, and if you click to go with the record, you're going, as you can see, with this continuous recording. So after reading this phrase, the iPhone is going to get you to the next one. Sorry. And you don't need to tap anything on the screen. So let's start. But also you can just go right here and stop at each phrase. I'm going to use it right now. So let's go on. Each year it produces more than 1/4 of the world's total supply. And you need to stop after reading the one sentence. As you can see, now you have the option to go with the other phrase. Now I'm going to just set the continuous recording because it is just better for me. So let's go on. Communal learning began in the United States in the early 1900s. About 80% of all people are right-footed. Also, as you can see, I'm almost half through the reading the phrases. So if you want to take a break, you can click done. And just use your iPhone how you would like to use it. Normally, if you want to go back, you can just go again through the personal voice, and let me show you where it is from the start. So let's just open settings, swipe down, tap on accessibility, go down and click on the personal voice. And here, as you can see, you have this personal voice up here, and it shows you how many phrases left to record, so you can just click on that one, enter the passcode, and you can just go and continue the recording. So let's just click and go on with the recordings as previously. When we were younger, we found many turtles in nearby pond. So, as you can see, I didn't read this phrase correctly, so if you are not satisfied about the reading, you can just stop with the continuous recording, and also you can click on the preview.
When we were younger, we found many turtles near the pond.
And the iPhone is going to read with the voice of the live speech that you have said before, how you should read it. And you are not satisfied with the reading, you can just stop the recording and record it once again. And also you can go back with some phrases to record it again if you are not satisfied with it. So I'm just going to read that again. When we were younger, we found many turtles near the pond. So, as you can see, if you're not so satisfied, just click on the stop. Once again, read that and go on with the other phrases. So, let me finish. So, as you can see, after reading all the 150 phrases, it took me some time to read all of those, get some corrections if I wasn't happy with what I just recorded. You got the congratulations. So what you want to do now is click continue, and you can prepare your personal voice. It's going to ask you about the notifications. Let's click allow. And you can charge and lock your iPhone to prepare your personal voice. And your personal voice will be generated only while iPhone is charging and locked, and you will see a notification when your personal voice is ready to use. So you can just wait for it. So as you can see, it is now preparing. So let me just charge the iPhone right now. Okay, now it is charging. And let's lock it and take some time to see if it is going to change the progress. So let's just wait 5 minutes right now. So as you can see, we are almost 20 minutes after finishing the recording of our personal voice, in my case my personal voice, but after 5 minutes I checked, it was at 0%, so let's see how it looks right now. Let's go to the settings, accessibility, we are already here. Let's get to the personal voice. As you can see, still we are at 0% of preparing my personal voice. I don't know, maybe it is the matter that my voice of English and the English pronunciation is not very the best. Maybe in your case it is going to take less time, maybe on other iPhone it is going to take less time, or maybe it just needs to be done, you know, by night if the iPhone is charging, but keep in mind that to prepare your voice, it needs some. It needs to be locked. The iPhone is going to be locked, and also it needs to be charging. So we are going to get back in the second part of that video. So for now, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!